Just let me have one drink. Move. I get kindness.
Haha, Mr. Howe has only got one drink left in his fridge. Wait.
What? Who was that? Doctor, I'm working the police. Yes, please.
And then 9, what is your
Hello. This is Mr. Hale. Somebody stole the 5 drinks I had in my fridge and left me with just one. Why? I've got CCTV on it. Well.
Oh no, why do I hear sirens? Oh no, I gotta run. GPD, stop right there in the name of the law. Put your hands in the air, criminal. Why am I at a police station? You have stole 5 energy drinks from your boss, Mr. whatever his name is. Mr. Howe. Is that who you're on about? Oh God, he's a ridiculous man, isn't he?
What did you reserve on me?
I'm sorry, Mr. Howe. I'll not see that ever again.
Yeah, you'll never see it again because you're gonna die.
Whoa. Hold on there, gentlemen. What are you two fighting? Now, both of you are separate rooms. Whoa. Do you want to go with my side of the story first, or my idiot of a boss? I'll go with your boss, because you've committed the most serious crime, which you definitely gonna regret. Whoa.
I have checked my company camera pointing in my fridge, and it showed that I stole 5 energy drinks. 5. It cost me £1 billion. This is just ridiculous.
Wait, what? You didn't tell me that they cost £1 billion.
Yes, I did. I told you this when I first said it.
Right then, Mr. Howe, you can go home, but you are not free to leave. Way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go home.
Oh man. I'll have to go to court tomorrow, I guess. Yep, you're gonna go to court tomorrow. Yeah. Hello everybody, I'm the judge. Now, Mr. Whoever your face is, you may come to the defendant's stand right this minute. Do you mean my name's Oliver Short Pants? Alright, Oliver Short Pants, that's just a weird name. Now, may Mr. Howe come to the witness stand?
Here I am. This is me, Mr. Hale.
Right, Mr. Howe, did you tell the defendant that the amount of money did your energy drinks cost?
Yes, I did. They cost £1 billion.
£1 billion?